Hello and welcome to our latest video. Today we're going to be going over the Alpha Portable. What the Alpha Portable does is provide the user with an all-in-one tracking solution in one case. In this video we'll go over a basic overview of the inputs on an Alpha Portable, the hardware supplied with an Alpha Portable, a basic software overview to get the system going, and some diagnostic tools that you may not know are available. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. On opening the Alpha Portable, you'll be greeted with the following: an integrated keyboard and mouse, and going from the top left, a transceiver input position, a dust cap, an internal GPS antenna input, a responder out connector, a USB connection, data out serial, external GPS in, note this is also your heading input, a DC power in, and an on button. There's also an LED in the middle of the on button, which shows the unit when it's being charged. Also provided with the Alpha Portable is a power block, GPS antenna, power lead, responder cable, note this is a 2-pin to a B and C connector, either a CD or USB with a digital manual, and a paper manual. The Alpha Portable also uses the 903 transceiver. We'll now move on to the software. To change the beacon channel, go Setup, Beacon Configuration, and select your beacon, in this case beacon 1. Then in the drop-down box select the channel you wish to use, and then press OK. To change system offsets, simply go Setup and Offsets. In here you can change the GPS position, so that is the GPS antenna to the transceiver, the transducer depth, the pitch if being used as a tilted head, and the magnetic declination. To set up the data out, go Setup, Data Output, and Data Format. Here you have a selection of strings to use. So go back to the setup, go Data Output, and make sure it's selected the one you want. Then select Data Output On. This will have a tick next to it, which then implies that the data is being output from the console into a third-party system. To change the compass being used, go Setup, Compass, and select Internal, External, Auto, or Off. Note, Auto will automatically default when an external compass is detected. To select your GPS input, go Survey, GPS. Note that the GPS will automatically revert to an external GPS source when detected, if on automatic. One system that has slightly more steps on the portable is the data logging system. This is stored on the system locally and transferred via memory stick. First, the user will need to select the data format they wish to log in. Note, this is different to the data out format. This is done by going Setup, Data Output, and going File Storage Output. The user will need to select the data output format they wish to use. Once selected, the user should press F6 or the record button on the lower right of the display. The name of the log file can be set. In this case, Dive1, and OK pressed. Once this is done, the F6 button should now change to Recording, and you can activate the beacon you wish to track by pressing F1 to F4 depending on the beacon being used. When operations are complete, the recording can be stopped. To stop the recording, press F6 or use the mouse to press the button. The wording should no longer be read when logging is complete. The user should then navigate to Setup, Data Output, and copy file to external drive. This will open a separate window. The user will then need to select the file or files they wish to transfer and then press Save. A new window will open. This is the location you wish to transfer to. When the desired location has been found, press OK. A final window will appear saying that the files have been transferred successfully. Finally, we'll be going over the diagnostic tools available in both alphas. This is activated by going Help, Diagnostics. This will open a new window, and the option we are interested in is option 2, Signals and Noise. Enter 2 into the operation code and press OK. What the user will find is the window below the positioning display is populated. The most important numbers to take note of are the EL numbers 1 through 4 and the noise. The EL numbers represent the amount of signal being received at each individual element. This is from the track target. The lower the number, the worse the signal being received. The noise percentage is the background noise being picked up by the system. It's important to note that high noise environments can cause interference with acoustic signals. An example of this would be if a transceiver is deployed next to a thruster. And that concludes the video. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the video useful and interesting. If you require any more information, please visit us at our website down below. Hope to see you again soon.